Hello and welcome everyone to a new video, and in today's video I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that go to the top right of the screen and click on your picture. After that, go and click on settings. After that, go and click on app and display. And as you can see, the first option is dark mode. Click on it. And to turn off the dark mode, you have just to click on off. And like you see, now Google Maps is on light mode. You can use it like that on light mode. I hope that you like this video. If you have any question about Google Maps or about any other app, you have just to write it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer your question, and see you in the next video.